Want to replace the grill element of your oven? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A screwdriver and a new grill element. Step 1. Remove the oven casing. To remove the grill element from the oven, you will first need to remove the casing. Unscrew the screws of the top plate. Then carefully lift the top plate off the oven. Next, unscrew the screws of the back plate as well so that you can remove it as well. Step 2. Remove the old grill element. First, disconnect the wiring from the grill element, which is at the back side of the oven. Remember to wear gloves when disconnecting the wiring, as the glass wool causes a lot of irritation to the skin. Next, unscrew the screws hidden under the glass wool. Next, move to the inside of the oven and remove the baking tray and grate so that you can easily reach the grill element. This is fixed at the top of the oven with a screw. Unscrew it and remove the old grill element from the oven. Step 3. Insert the new grill element. Place the new grill element where the old one was and screw it back in place. Then go to the back of the oven. Again, don't forget to wear gloves. Screw down the screws at the back of the grill element again. Then reconnect the wiring correctly. Step 4. Replace the casing. Replace the back first and screw it down. Then reinsert the top and screw it back on as well. You have replaced the grill element and the oven is ready to use again.